Hey guys, it is Thursday here in West Virginia, and today we're taking a look at the latest M2 Machines Coca-Cola series. There are 3 vehicles in this set, at least that's what was in the box that I cracked open at Walmart the other day. There are 2 American vehicles and 1 German vehicle, but it is the USA model of the vehicle, and each vehicle has a chase variant of it. Um, the only difference in the chases is that the chase versions have red chrome wheels and trim, and maybe a red interior, but the red wheels and red trim is the highlights that give it away when you see it. So we'll take a look at the German one first. That is the 1953 VW Beetle Deluxe USA model. And it is pretty cool looking. It has, I can't see because of the glare. Let's go this way. Okay, so you have the bigger engine sticking out the back with the rear engine cover removed. And it has like a smoked tinted glass. It's done in a gunmetal gray, it looks like I would call it. And all of the chrome trim is now done in, I don't know if I call that black chrome or just gloss black. It has a 5-spoke style wheel with white leather tires. And the Coca-Cola logo is kind of subtle on the side. It just says Coca-Cola in red. And it has some other square, I guess, logos from other countries, maybe, to show you like how they advertise Coke in other places. I believe that's what those are. I've never seen them before until this, but I'm just going by what I'm seeing on the back of the package, and that's kind of what I think it's supposed to represent. Then, there's more glare again. And then on the hood, you have Coca-Cola written on the hood on only the driver's side. It doesn't go across horizontally like I would think it would. It goes more like a vertical. It depends on how you're looking at it. If you're looking at it this way, it would be horizontal, but usually you would be standing in the front, it would be vertical. And the most common way would be for it to go horizontal, standing from the front, but it's a little bit different. So anyways, that is your Beetle in this series. We're not cracking these because I'm selling these. I don't know why I bought them. I guess just to make a video on them for you guys, and then just kind of sell them and try to get my money back, or just return them to Walmart. So if anybody needs them, let me know. It would be pretty much the same price. The $8 each on the, probably, well, yeah, $8 each on the Beetle and the Merc, and maybe 10 on the K5. And it just depends. And maybe even a little cheaper on the K5. But here's your Merc, and this is actually a great looking Merc. If it didn't have the Coca-Cola on the hood, which I think you could easily get rid of with some nail polish remover, but that even looks pretty tasteful the way it's done with, I think that's an eagle? Yeah. Kind of to represent, I don't know, like the America Coca-Cola advertisements, because as you can see, there's the Atlanta, and then everything's done in English, so I'm going to assume that that's to represent America. The other one for is like for overseas, kind of like what they did with the square body in the last 3 car set with the Little Red Express and the square body, and I forget what the third one was, but they did the Japanese characters on the square body, which was kind of cool. It kind of gave me that Kaido House feel to it. But anyways, this Merc is awesome. Done in this satin red with the chrome reverse wheels with like baby moon caps, thin white wall tires, and the taillights, I can't even see any taillights on it, honestly. And it's going to say maybe they're Frenched, but I'm not sure. I don't even see taillights. So anyways, the front end, it looks like the headlights are Frenched in headlights. No, maybe not. They still have the trim ring. But the grill does look like a DeSoto style grill, which is kind of a very cool custom touch from the 50s. And it looks like all the hood corners and stuff are rounded. Same thing with the deck lid. Chop top with the slanted B-pillar. So you got a lot of nice custom touches to it. Shave side trim. Very cool looking old Merc. So if you're a Merc fan, this probably would be a must-have. If I was collecting Mercuries, yeah, I'd definitely hang on to this thing. Because it's not one of those overdone Coca-Cola cars. Like, the Beetle, in my opinion, is overdone. It just, I know it's not a lot, but still, it just has too much. The whole side and then the hood. But this Merc, just with that on the hood, that's not bad at all. And then the next one, which is probably the most hyped of this 3-car set, is going to be the 1973 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. And this thing actually looks pretty kick-ass. It doesn't have anything Coca-Cola except on the hood. And it actually looks like a, I know, forestry division kind of logo. You could actually say this would be like a forestry truck. The way it's set up with all the camping gear and luggage on the roof and such, and that logo on the hood, it almost looks like something that would say forestry. If it was done in a mint green, it would be something that would definitely represent a forestry truck. Just this beige tan color with the red and orange and yellow stripes, or pink. Yeah, I think one of them may even be pink down in there. Yeah, there is a pink. Yellow, pink, orange, red. It's that rainbow there. That's kind of what goes along with it, but it also looks like something that you would see on like one of these conversion trim packages from the late 70s on one of these things. So this is another one that's tastefully done. If I was still collecting square bodies, I would probably hang on to one of these. And by the way, I got 2 of them. So if somebody wants 1 or 2, I have them. And as I said, $10 each. If you want both, I'll do both for like 18. But one thing I was going to show you guys, one last thing on these. They're pretty limited. All of them are less than 10,000 production. It's 9,250 pieces for the regular, 750 on the Chase. On the Mercury, it is 9,250, 750 on the Chase. So I'm guessing there's 10,000 total. 750 Chase, 9,250 for the regular production. Same thing with the Beetle. Sometimes, and I don't know why, sometimes the production run is different on each model. I don't know why, and they could be from the same series. Sometimes they do that. That's why I looked at all of them. So that's it for us on Thursday. Just wanted to show you guys these in case you don't get them at your Walmart, to show you what they look like up close and such. But if you can't find them at your Walmart and you need them, you can have them for what I paid for them at Walmart and the shipping cost, whatever. So just find me here on not eBay, but here on YouTube or on IG. If you find me on eBay, then it may be taxed a little bit because of their fees and such. But if you get me here or on IG, well, you're eventually just going to have to get the IG to DM me. That way we can work out payment arrangements and get your address and stuff. So that would be your cheapest bet. It'd be the same price as what I paid for them at Walmart. I think it's $8.97, something like that, plus the ride. So thanks for watching, guys, and then I will be back again tomorrow for our Free It Friday with another M2 vehicle. We're just doing a quickie on the new Moon Eyes Ground Pounders El Camino. So be sure to tune back in for that. Thanks for watching.